Hey, yo, hey, yo,
damn, damn good, man.
Yeah, you're good, man. Take care.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. How you doing? Everyone suffering? Okay, don't do that.
No, I misclicked, sorry.
No. Oh, good. Oh, I misclicked too.
Oh, ouch. Yeah.
Whoa,
It's very fun to see people suffering.
Yeah, they look like popcorn.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Kobo. Oh, she has a knife.
Ow!
I have a knife.
Are you hyper-focused on me?
Well, you have a knife. No.
Oh, no! There's a knife! Oh my god! You murdered
I'm sorry, but I need to.
What?
Death from above.
Oh my god, I'm next to a murderer. Why are you heavy breathing like that?
Oh, they're trying to violence.
Stop breathing like that!
Pok!
Is that a fact? Yeah, congrats, Kobo.